Home Canning, Guide 7. Preparing and Canning Jams and Jellies. Guide 7 of the USDA Complete Guide to Home Canning focuses on preparing and canning jams and jellies. This guide provides information on making both traditional and reduced sugar fruit spreads. It is important to use high-quality fruit for the best results. This guide provides detailed instructions for making jelly without added pectin, which is best with fruits naturally high in pectin. Jam without added pectin, also using fruits naturally high in pectin. Jams and jellies with added pectin, which uses fresh, frozen or commercially canned fruit juices. Reduced sugar fruit spreads, including options using modified pectin, gelatin, or gums, and some that require refrigeration. When making jelly without added pectin, use a mixture of about 3/4 ripe and 1/4 underripe fruit. Do not use commercially canned or frozen fruit juices because their pectin content is too low. Using the peels and cores adds pectin to the juice during cooking. When making jam without added pectin, use the same fruit guidelines as for jelly. When using added pectin, follow the manufacturer's instructions. Adding a small amount of butter or margarine can reduce foaming, but may cause off flavors during long-term storage. To test for doneness when making jelly without added pectin, use the sheet or spoon test, or a jelly or candy thermometer. For jam without added pectin, use the refrigerator test, or a thermometer. When making jams and jellies with added pectin, recipes with the packaged pectin will eliminate the need to test for proper gelling. Always fill the jars hot, leaving 1/4 inch headspace, and remove air bubbles. Wipe the jar rims before adding the lids and processing. To prevent spoilage, fill hot products into sterile mason jars, seal with self-sealing lids, and process for 5 minutes in a boiling water canner, adding 1 additional minute per 1,000 feet above sea level. If unsterile jars are used, the filled jars should be processed for 10 minutes. When making reduced sugar fruit spreads, some recipes include gelatin and should not be processed, but instead refrigerated and used within 4 weeks. After processing, do not retighten the jar lids, and cool the jars at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. If your jelly does not set, you may remake it following the instructions in this guide using powdered pectin, liquid pectin, or without added pectin. Following the guidelines in this guide will help you create safe and delicious jams and jellies at home. From fruits and vegetables to meats and seafood, you'll find all the information you need to create safe and delicious canned goods. Don't wait, click the link in the description below to get your copy and begin canning at home. If you found this video helpful, you can get your own copy of the Complete Guide to Home Canning today. We offer 3 different formats to suit your needs. First, we have the standard paperback edition, with a blue cover and non-color illustrations. This is our most economical option. Next, there's the hardcover version, with a red cover and non-color illustrations. This durable edition is perfect for long-time use or as a gift. Finally, we have the premium paperback edition with a green cover and full-color illustrations. This version offers the most visually appealing experience. You can find all of these versions on Amazon, using the link in the description below. No matter which version you choose, you'll get all the step-by-step instructions you need to can food safely at home. Happy canning!